Madam, about the land, we've already written to you that 40 acres is given by the state government. But to that letter, Madam, you had replied saying that the Honorable Finance Minister has set aside the aside scheme, so you can't help us, and now the burden is on the state government, Madam. So please use your good offices with Jaitley ji, and वो aside scheme हमारे पे कर दीजिए, ma'am. क्योंकि last year was my request, and by the time land was allocated by the state government, a scheme तो चला गया, ma'am. And
Madam,
I have
just on that specific question, aside funds may have now been given over to the states.
But first later complete.
All right. All right.
Please.
Madam, I would like to quote from the foreign trade policy document of the Commerce Ministry, ma'am, which says plantation products, especially spices and tea, being closely associated with brand India, help to promote Indian cuisine, lifestyle and exports, and establish a personal recall value among consumers in general. And Haldi is the best brand ambassador for India, madam. That all of us know, माननीय सारे सांसदों को मालूम है कि हल्दी का महत्व क्या है, especially भाजपा का principles जो है with Indian heritage and culture, it goes very well. But then unfortunately, madam, the kind of emphasis that you give on the culture and heritage, the same impetus is not given for the turmeric production or even the export, madam. Of late, Prime Minister ji had set up a production and export development agency for saffron, which is produced very little in our country. But whereas turmeric is also called as Indian saffron, I kindly request you, if you can do something about, if not the aside scheme, if you can set up a production and export development agency. And related to that, there is also a serious query, madam. Because of the FTA agreements, now we are importing turmeric also. Unless and until we stop the import of turmeric, madam, we cannot help our farmers. So kindly look into that, ma'am. And जले पे नमक छिड़े जैसा आपने और एक काम कर दिया, मैम. हमें तो असाइड स्कीम में नहीं दिया, लेकिन गुंटूर का जो स्पाइस डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी है, उसमें आपने हमारा तेलंगाना का टर्मरिक प्रोडक्शन का भी मैनेज करने का दे दिया, मैम. Because that is what your letter says. Till the date that you set up a separate park, our Warangal regional office is not given the responsibility, but the Guntur office is given, madam. So I request you to give the responsibility to the Warangal regional office. Thank you.